Could I have your name, please? Could I have your name, please? Could I have your name, please? Yes, Mary Sanders. Yes, Mary Sanders. Yes, Mary Sanders. May I speak to Miss Taylor, please? May I speak to Miss Taylor, please? May I speak to Miss Taylor, please? I'm sorry, she's not in. I'm sorry, she's not in. I'm sorry, she's not in. Have you decided yet? Have you decided yet? Have you decided yet? Yes, we'll go to Spain. Yes, we'll go to Spain. Yes, we'll go to Spain. How long have you been here in New York? How long have you been here in New York? How long have you been here in New York? Nearly 3 years. Nearly 3 years. Nearly 3 years. Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? We love it. We love it. We love it. What do you like best? What do you like best? What do you like best? The atmosphere and the mixture of all people. The atmosphere and the mixture of all people. The atmosphere and the mixture of all people. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? I love reading books. I love reading books. I love reading books.
Thanks for watching the video.